Today's oracle message is Mama Jumbo. This is the card I pulled today. So I'm going to read a little bit about it. It's from the African Goddess Rising Oracle series that we're using in our community. You were born to shine, be seen, be heard, be a movement. We need to know your name. We want to learn your dance. And the affirmation or the declaration is, I am ready to be seen and heard. And there's more to this in this little booklet, but I'm not going to read everything. But this just reminds me of Mandela's speech. To me, it is time for us to stand up and be heard, to live unapologetically, to be true and authentically who you are. So, Mama Jumbo. Ashe. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.